In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multilingual slide deck with GenSpark. First, open GenSpark and sign in to your account. Make sure you're on a reliable connection and using an up-to-date browser so everything loads smoothly. If you have multiple accounts, confirm you're in the one linked to your projects and keep your credentials secure. Next, navigate to AI slides or the specific GenSpark workspace where you want to build your deck. From the dashboard, look for the AI slides tool or open the workspace or folder designated for this presentation. Keeping your projects organized here will make edits and exports easier later. Now, enter your presentation topic and specify the language you want to use. Be as clear and descriptive as possible with your topic. Include your audience, goal, and any constraints like tone or slide count if the interface allows. Then set the language, such as English, Spanish, French, or another target language. If you need multilingual results, clarify that in your input, noting primary and secondary languages and any regional preferences. Ask GenSpark to generate the slides in that language. Confirm your settings, then start the generation. Give the system a moment to build your outline, key points, and suggested visuals or speaker notes if available. If a first pass isn't quite right, refine your topic phrasing and regenerate. Once the draft appears, review the translated or multilingual content on each slide. Check accuracy, clarity, and tone. Make sure technical terms are correct, numbers and dates match the target region, and brand or product names are preserved where needed. Watch for idioms or phrases that might not translate cleanly, and ensure headings and subpoints flow logically. Then edit any wording, formatting, or language details that need correction. Adjust phrasing for natural readability. Unify terminology across slides and fix punctuation or capitalization that may differ by language. Tidy up the layout to avoid text overflow. Align elements and choose fonts that support all characters in your chosen language. If the tool provides style options, apply consistent colors and spacing and ensure accessibility with sufficient contrast. Finally, save or export the presentation after checking the language output. Use a clear file name and store a version inside your workspace. Export to your preferred format, such as PowerPoint or PDF, or share a link if collaboration is enabled. Before sending, open the exported file to confirm all characters render correctly and no formatting shifted. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly generate, refine, and share a polished multilingual deck in GenSpark.